Hi friends, I'm commuting na from Antipolo to Manila, so I'm going to get lang sa Victory Liner yung package. So, update na lang guys. Hi friends, I just opened the package. Sobra, the design I really wanted was followed. Like, this is just teaser, no? Pero look at that! It's so beautiful! Ang ganda! I'm so happy may vision. And this one, look at this one. Kinikilabutan ako. It's so really nice. My God, look! Gosh! Ang ganda! Look at that! But yeah, I just want to share sa inyo that I'm all done placing all the stuff na dadalhin ko. So what I usually do talaga is I really plan for it kasi I don't want to overpack, and at the same time I just want to bring stuff that I know that I'll be using. So what I usually do is for the next parang 4 or 5 days before my flight, I actually put all the clothes that I want to bring or feeling ko na magagamit ko. So now nakalatag na siya. So today or tonight, ilalatag lang natin yung, or if-finalize lang natin yung outfits na gagamitin natin. So I need at least 4 or 5 outfit. So the first outfit is yung going to the airport. Tapos the day one then is after the airport, siguro tanggal lang ng coat or something. Tapos yun na yun. So parang one outfit. Tapos we'll be there for 3 days. Tapos the last day is for going back. So I need at least 5 outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare outfits. So let's edit out yung mga nilagay ko kanina. At the same time, I just wanna share din sa inyo. Kasi parang I just got the design earlier. So grabe, I didn't bring all kasi parang I just wanted to get snippets of the pieces na feeling ko would work in Korea. So guys, look at this! So, ang goal ko talaga is to feature the last Myanmar Prince outfit for the next 5 days. So, I just try to make, ayusin lang natin yung mga outfits na somehow merong vibe ng fit na yun. So, we'll also remove outfits. So, feeling ko, this one, you can remove this Kenzo coat. Iniisip ko siya kasi, parang you can wear this 4 different ways. Pero parang feeling ko, mas deserve nung mga latest collection ko kasi manipis lang siya. So it's also 4 pieces and I think parang equal niya din nito. So but yeah, you can hire this. Just go to our website. So balik natin to. And also, this is bring just one set of heat tech kasi hindi ko alam kung mainit. So, I have this heat tech. So, pinag-iisipan ko pa siya. And, of course, running stuff. So, I'll probably bring 3 tops na pang run. And, yun yung priority natin, tumakbo. I'm also going to trim down yung mga accessories kasi parang feeling ko dapat 4 lang yung dalhin natin for, yeah. Because I have 10 of this one. So, yeah, I'm just like thinking things through pa din. I wear this ring because this is Dennis ring and this is our engagement ring. So parang at least I can feel that Dennis is with me so through this necklace. So I always bring it talaga. So yeah. So guys, I'm thinking. Meron din akong Myanmar bag. Where is it? So this one. Look at this. So cute! So iniisip ko siya sa airport look na rin kasi parang syempre parang I need to have a bag na parang feeling ko kasi naka-backpack ako tapos may bag ako, parang dito ko ilalagay yung mga valuables para it's easier to get. Hi friends, currently 2 days before the trip, so I'm almost done packing. So nalatag ko na lahat. I pre-styled what I'll be wearing. Tapos I also bought some snacks with me para hindi rin masyado magastos. So I already sorted out things dito. So makikita, I'll tag along with you. So as you can see, ito na yung maleta ko. I have extra bag and extra luggage lang. Tapos may payong dyan. So, empty pa siya. Tapos, these are the clothes na na-pre-style ko na siya. So, paulit-ulit lang talaga. So, this is the outfit I'll be wearing nasa airport. Tapos, mga outfit. Tapos, of course, our essentials. Declutter pa natin yung running stuff. Etchbureche. And these are like jewelries from Shop J. Dennis J. Jawamar launching really soon. And, of course, bumili na ako ng food para tipid. So friends, we brought 3 shoes. So yeah, ito yung 3 essential ko. May running shoes, something leather, something semi-formal, and this one. This is my Vomero. So just for walking, for comfort siya. So as you can see, ito yung gagamitin natin sa airport kasi slip-on lang siya. Tapos, yeah, I also already placed socks at saka briefs inside the shoes para to save space. Tapos, yeah, I'll insert na rin some of my running shirts dito sa isang shoes para alam natin kung saan siya. So, yeah. Na-playstyle na natin ng mga outfits. So what I'll be doing first is siguro yung mga pants muna, yung i-fold natin. So I have, I think, 3 pants for this trip, pero 2 lang siya actually kasi yung isa gagamitin na natin. So nakahiwalay na yung outfit natin for the airport tsaka day 1. So yeah, so let's just fold first yung mga magkakaparehas. So, I'll just fold these pants. So, yeah, this is my grandmother's. Yung isa kay Dennis, actually. So, yeah. So, yeah. Just fold lang natin. Very random lang tayo. But yeah, what I love about this pieces, these are like traditional cloth. Ang maganda sa kanya actually is sobrang hindi siya bulky. Tsaka parang malaki siya. I mean, it has a good look. Tapos, sobrang gaan niya. It's easy to fold. What's nice about it is, hindi siya mabigat sa maleta. So, hindi rin siya bulky. So, it's really easy to store, I guess. So, fino-fold ko muna lahat ng mga essentials ng Shop J. Dennis J. Jawamar. So, you can see, ganito lang siya. Sobrang gaan niya rin and hindi siya bulky. Tapos friends, I brought 1 set of pajama lang actually. So bahala na kahit mamako-mako na tayo doon. Sando rin. Hi friends, so it's currently 12:20, so I plan to go to the airport siguro after shooting this video. But yeah, this is my look at the airport. So this, you can see this top. Yeah, will be up for the new collection. Ang ganda niya kasi look at this design. I mean, look at the details. Ayun siya. So this will be my outfit going to the airport. So may coat lang ako. I just want to show the coat. Yeah. Okay, before I show the coat, what I really like about this top is, grabe. Sobrang ganda. May pocket siya. Tapos may tali dito sa gilid. Tapos sa gilid, sa likod may zipper. So it's easy to use. Tanggalin mo lang siya to adjust it. And I think I can be able to style it in a lot of ways. I'll show it later. But yeah, this is the one. Ganda. Tapos, layer lang natin tong coat na to. Yan. So, this is my airport look. Laki ba? But yeah, it's gonna be nice. Parang feeling ko parang cozy lang tayo sa airport. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, so before I end, I just want to share sa inyo yung yung how I fixed my luggage. So you can see in this video, ito siya. So this is my main luggage. Parang 20 kg yung max ko, pero parang 12 or 13 kg siya. So you can see in this one, naayos ko na siya. So, ayan siya. So sa area na to, nandito yung shoes ko. Tapos some food na dadalhin natin, yung malaking duffel bag. Sa loob nito, nandoon yung mga briefs, yung medyas, yung mga shorts and running stuff. So ganyan lang siya kadali. So, nandito sa kabila naman, makikita nyo, mga toiletries ko. Tapos, andito yung gadgets, mga konti lang siya, batteries and stuff. Ito yung running stuff ko, just for really an adapter. Tapos, puro damit na to, may payong. Tapos, ito na lahat ng damit ko actually. So, ikaw binili tayo. So, yeah, I'm just gonna close this one. So, ito na yung maleta natin, guys. So, yung weighing scale, na-weigh ko na to kanina. So, 13.2. So, mga 13 kg ito. So, makikita mo siya. Okay. So, sa trip na to, I'll be having 3 bags. So, this is my main bag. Tapos, lock lang natin siya. This is my hand carry. So, nandito yung laptop ko. Show na nga lang sa'yo. So, laptop ko. Tapos, yung mga cameras ko. Tapos, books. Tsaka journal. Tapos, of course, what I really need, tumbler. Doon na lang ako magkukuhan sa airport. And, of course, my tripods are here. May dala rin akong baon na apple. And, andito yung meds ko, beanie, tapos salamin, power bank is here as well. So, meds. Nag-contemplate talaga ako kasi parang gusto ko ito na lang. So, but I added this one. This is a very small pouch. So, nandito yung passport ko and some money. So, and card ko. So, parang nilagay ko na lang siya dito para sobrang dali lang siya. So, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So, yes to slow fashion. And this is Jomar John, one half of Shop J Dennis J Jomar. Catch you on to the next video.